We are embarking upon a new era that we at Renault Trucks have been anticipating for more than 10 years. We were the first manufacturer to produce a range of electric vehicles in 2020. Today, the shift to a new energy source is part of everybody's strategy. Switching to electric vehicles will rev up your business activities. Our network of Renault Trucks experts dedicated to electric vehicle solutions will be alongside you to provide complete peace of mind. We will work with you and your business to devise a tailor-made solution. We will analyze your operations using accurate simulation tools, devising together the best solution, and support you as it's being implemented. Discover our new Renault Trucks E-Tech TNC vehicles. They're ready to meet the diverse requirements of regional haulage and urban construction activities. Our electric vehicles provide silent operation, driving comfort and peace of mind for your drivers. Enjoy the benefit of a driving range of more than 300 kilometers from today. Recharge your vehicle in only 2.5 hours using DC fast charging. Our service solutions help you get the most from your fleet, ensuring vehicle uptime and monitoring battery charge levels in real time. Our Renault Trucks E-Tech vehicles are already on the road and performing every day. They have driven millions of operational kilometers by our customers and have saved several thousand tons of CO2 emissions. Hit the road with a Renault Trucks electric vehicle and benefit from our know-how, innovation, and our customer-focused spirit. With a 100% electric range on the market, we are now covering applications between 3.1 and 44 tons. Step into the electric era with us.